Hello everyone and welcome to Flex Finance. Do you know you can make $1,000 online in one day? Sounds too good to be true, right? Yes, this is very possible, and the amazing thing is that you can make it for free. You heard that right, for free without any extra costs. There are a lot of ways to make $1,000 online every day, and this is a list of the easiest ways you can make that happen. And since I have tried it for an entire week, it's proven to be working. Don't worry, you will not have to film any videos, you will not have to trade any stocks or have to sell anything, and yes, it will give you the same results in any country you are in. Perhaps you have an unexpected bill to pay off, or you want to start contributing to your finance goals, or you need to go on a vacation to ease the stress. Whatever is the reason, there are a lot of things you can do online to make this happen. Before I start, make sure to like this video if you like making money and want to know the steps for making money online. Make sure to also subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss out on first class info. In this video, you will see how to get $1,000 fast in a day, and you could put all these strategies to play continuously, and at the end of this video, I will share a secret tip with you that can help you make an extra $1,000 every month, because who doesn't want to make more money, right? A survey in the USA has been conducted in 2018, and in this survey, we found out that 58% of US adults have less than $1,000 in their savings account, and 32% had no savings at all, living from paycheck to paycheck. The same survey was conducted also on the Canadian side, and the statistics are somewhat similar, as 53% of the population had less than $1,000 in their savings account. In this video, we're gonna be learning 5 ways that can help us start making $1,000 every day. If you want to learn this, then keep watching as I will review those 5 ideas, and they will help you reach your financial goal within a week or less. Whether or not you have a steady stream of income, you can still do it. Some of these tasks are online and achievable from within the comfort of your own home. For others, you need to get up and go hustle. Depending on the option, little or no experience may be required. And without further ado, here are the numerous ways to make $1,000 in one day. Listing your empty space and making money. Have you got an empty room in your apartment, or are you planning on going on vacation soon? Do you know your spare room or vacant house could earn you some cash rather than just sitting empty? Hosting guests and getting paid is simple. For a start, simply list your empty room on Airbnb, choose your availability, house rules, and prices. Listing your space is free, and Airbnb backs up every booking with a hefty $1 million in property damage and another $1 million in insurance against accidents. Whether you have a spare room or not, you can still make quick cash by renting out other things like your parking spot, your cupboard space, or trailer. You could earn a lot from Airbnb. Of course, that income will depend on the area where you are based, how frequently you list out your space, the quality of your home, and the services you provide. Number 2, earning cash by participating in market research. Believe it or not, a lot of companies and businesses are willing to pay you a lot of money just for your opinions to increase their sales, improve their products, and expand their market value. Isn't that interesting? The data generated when you complete a survey, participate in focus groups, or test a product is worth a lot for companies, and they will compensate you for the time you spend in providing them with useful information. Some easy tasks to make money quick with the best paid survey sites include signing up, taking surveys, watching videos, browsing, shopping online, and referring friends as well. You can also redeem your rewards with the following: cash via PayPal, gift cards, merchandise, and much more. Here are some market research companies worth checking out. Pinecone Research. This is one of the best paying market research companies you can come across. You can easily earn up to $5 per survey. LifePoints. This site also offers a lot of high-paying surveys daily. Number 4, Swagbucks. This site offers a $5 sign-up bonus which you can redeem via PayPal. Number 5, Inbox Dollars. Number 6, Branded Surveys. 7, Survey Junkie. 8, Daily Rewards. Renting your car on Turo or Drive for Lyft. You can rent out your car on Turo and make passive income from it. Turo is a website for monetizing your car when you are not using it. The site is free and easy to use. For a start, simply set your prices and you can earn up to 90% of the fees paid by renters. Also, Turo pre-screens drivers, provides roadside assistance, and protects your assets with up to $2 million in liability insurance. Payment is made via PayPal within 5 days. Also, if you have a car and you don't mind driving people around, you can sign up with Lyft or Uber to drive people during your free time. You can make a lot of money driving people around depending on how many hours you put in. It's feasible to be $1,000 richer when you drive people around. If you don't care about driving people or you don't know your way around, you can also use this alternative of food delivery to the customer's doorstep. Companies that provide this include Uber Eats, Instacart, and DoorDash. Make sure you keep watching as this next point will help you make $1,000 in no time. Number 4. Teaching others English and earning cash. Do you know you can make up to $1,000 online in a day teaching the English language? Parents in many non-English speaking countries around the world, particularly China, are trying to find native English speakers who can tutor their kids to speak the English language. VIP Kid is one of the platforms for this service and they offer a very good pay of $22 per hour. You decide on your hours and work from home using a laptop, handset, camera, and an internet connection. Just imagine how much you will make teaching several children online in the same hour. Awesome, right? You can also teach a couple of other things and advertise your tutoring services on Craigslist or online job boards. Number 5. Playing with dogs for cash. You can earn a lot of money while playing with dogs and cats. If you are either a dog or a cat lover, you can earn income from dog walking, pet sitting, home sitting, pet boarding, and much more. Rover is a platform that allows you to set your prices and start earning on your schedule. Earnings are available for withdrawal 2 days after you have provided the service. Pet sitters can earn more than $48,000 on average, so there's your $1,000 if this option is one you don't mind doing. Number 6. Become an influencer. Do you have a large following on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter? And all you do is post selfie pictures of you and your friends when you can make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from the comfort of your own bed? It is estimated that Instagram influencers charge $1,000 per post for every 100,000 followers they have. Even if your followers are in the millions or hundreds of thousands range, you can still make thousands from your account if you have a large following. All you need to do is to revamp your account and position them and watch as advertisers pour in to help promote their products. The internet is a fast space booming with numerous money-making opportunities online, with new opportunities to become a millionaire every day. I hope you get value from this video and I hope you learned how to make $1,000 online for free. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below to get new updates on our next videos.